those ends never touch the floor or inhlabathi. And then while you're putting them in, you should make sure ibhora leli is aligned to this square, and then you push it in. And then after putting it in, you take off this groove from the ball so that it doesn't come out when you're doing the work. Okay, same applies to that other side. Push it in, put it. So aku ufikile kucineni. Ngani akungenanga kahle. Athi indaba lapha nabe kungenini. Akula nhlabathi. So why this time won't it go in? Right, yeah. So kungenini. Then you take it off the groove so that kungahwatsheki. And then to take it off, you align the dot to the groove.
Your shadow is right in the way. I can't see a bleeding thing.
It's not the shadow, it's the thing. And then you just pull it out. And then same applies onto the other side. You align the dot to the groove, and then you just pull it out. Easy peasy. And then you connect this end, and then after that you connect that end to the bobo.
Yes.
Oh, we need to put it back on. Yeah, yes. Small to big, that's fine. That's okay. Same technique like the other side. Just push it in. Align it groove. That's fine. It's okay. And then you push it in. That's fine. And then the other side. Yeah. Yeah. Yes, okay. Yeah, then she release. Yep, that's fine. Then ngenisa la ngapho ke khona sakudumisa. Sorry kade sesikuchiphile kanje. Oh, I technique yokuphushela the bigger end. Nxa ungenisa ngapha lapho kule bigger end ngale kunamathele lo nina, you push it down. Yeah. And then you align and push it in, and then you squeeze, you twist, and then when the bigger end is on this side, you pull it towards yourself and push it towards the smaller bit, and then you can again twist it. Right?
I didn't even understand that, but I'm looking at it.
Yeah, the best
Your
thing
instruction is just.
And then on here there is on lo off. Manje mina ngisakwazi ukuthi on ngophi. Lo ngu off. Long on, right? So right now it's off, and then we've got to put it on here as well. That rating yakanyashing. So ngakunje so ku on,
off,
ku on,
okay,
ku one. Ngakuti so ku off. So we put it on, right? And then we pull the cord. Where's the cord? Yeah, no. Then the cord. it has got to play when it's digging. Alright? Then you put this one on. Alright? Then you are ready to go. Press. Press on. Yeah, push it. No, we're just testing
it.
Sunday.
Yeah, we know.
You don't want this noise around here.
No, it's only 2 minutes. We finished.
You're digging up their car park.
We're not digging. We're just testing this item. That's all.
I'm going to have to take your car number because
Oh.
the people who own this factory won't like you digging up their car park.
Did you see us dig? So that's it.